The way this fence is put together, it's in sections where basically once we remove those bolts, we're gonna be able to pick up this whole 2 panels here, slide it out of the way, and we'll keep that material just as it is because we'll need that when we put the fence back together to secure your backyard again after the addition is in. So, and that way all the wood matches and everything. If we go buy new wood, it's just not gonna match. So we'll keep the gates, we'll keep the fence, and we're gonna use some hydraulics to pull the posts out of the ground. And you know, if we need to put a post in, we can literally knock the concrete off of them and reuse the post even. All right, so we're going through and taking one of the top and middle bolts off first, then we'll remove all the bottom bolts. That way it can hang here rather than getting tippy and snapping off. And that's really what we're trying to avoid because we want to be able to reuse this stuff so it stays matching. And if we pull the top bolts first, it gets tippy. Well, you can see the wind here. It gets tippy and somebody's either got to hold it or it snaps off. So you got to think about what you're dealing with down the road as well. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.